Ever wondered why courier drivers often complain about backaches and leg pain? It's no surprise, considering the long hours spent driving and the heavy lifting involved. These challenges can lead to back injury, leg pain, and mobility problems. That's where the magic of stretching comes in. Ready to learn more? Stretching, a simple yet effective solution, can make a world of difference for courier drivers. Let's delve into a series of stretches that can help alleviate physical strain. Start with a neck stretch. Gently tilt your head from side to side. This helps to alleviate tension and can prevent neck stiffness. Follow this up with shoulder rolls. Roll your shoulders forward and backward in a circular motion to help loosen tight muscles and increase flexibility. Next comes the chest stretch. Interlock your fingers behind your back and gently push your chest forward. This is great for combating the hunched posture that comes from long hours of driving. A back twist can help to relieve lower back pain. Sitting upright, gently twist your torso from side to side, ensuring to keep your hips facing forward. For your lower body, try a hamstring stretch. Extend one leg out in front of you and gently lean forward. Finally, perform calf raises by lifting your heels off the ground while standing. Remember, each stretch should be held for approximately 30 seconds and repeated at least twice. So, what have we learned about stretching and its benefits for courier drivers? The key takeaways are the importance of regular stretching to maintain physical health, prevent injuries, and keep mobility issues at bay. Make stretching a part of your daily routine and say goodbye to those persistent aches and pains. Stay healthy, stay active,